All right, what's going on, everyone? First week, February, was very tough. And I kind of had a bad week in general at work, especially because there was just too much shit going on at work. I couldn't focus. Um, so that's my excuse. But yeah, and I was taking dumb trades too, honestly. That's just, I'm going to be completely honest. I was taking really dumb trades, but you know the drill. Let's get right into it. Here we go. February 3rd, first day of the trading
Order
week.
filled.
Um, got in right here, 25.75, instant stop out. I mean, absolutely instant stop out
Stop filled.
right there. Okay, second trade
Order
of
filled.
February 3rd, got in right here. As you can see, there was no double leg entry, no second entry. I was just taking it off the momentum, and as you can tell, it didn't work. Let's see where I get stopped out at. I think like right here. Instant switch.
Stop filled.
Stop filled. February 4th.
Order
Second entry,
filled.
bounce off EMA, tried to get in here. I think I profited on this one. I think. But then I ended red on this day. Let's see. Then we get stopped out.
Order filled.
Oh, right here. So let me pause it. I accidentally bought 3 more extra contracts where you can see seven stop losses here. So I instantly closed the trade.
Order filled.
Yeah, that was a mistake on my part. I meant to hover over the sell market button. All right. February 4th, second trade of the day. Got in off the momentum again. There's no second entry. I was literally just getting in off the momentum. And I think it worked in my favor just for a little bit. Yeah, it worked in my favor just for a little bit. I was trailing my stop, you know, because I didn't want to lose too much. And then I put it a tick under where I got in. We still kept dropping, which was pretty cool. Nice 6-point drop. And then I was holding this baby forever. And then instant reverse up. It's always the trades that... oh, my recording froze. But anyway. Right here. Oh, no, we came back down. It's always the last contract that always gets stopped out. You can never have a contract that can run on its own.
Stop filled.
Bam, stop filled. I took it on this candle. Oh, I know why. Let me pause it. I know why I canceled that order and should have gotten in here, because I was hesitating on if this candle was strong enough, so I got in on this strong candle. Work out too good, obviously. Like, these were the trades I was taking. Like, I just shouldn't be taking these types of trades at all. I was breaking my rules. So the beginning of February was tough. This first week was tough. Yeah, and then I got out. I got out here.
Order filled.
February 4th again, dude. I don't even know how many trades I took this day. What the hell was I doing? This week was so crazy, I don't even remember. Literally. I think I got out right here. Yeah, I got
Order
out.
filled.
Crazy, bro. Terrible week. So February 6th. So I was following my rules still. EMA cross, second leg entry. Back into profit, moving my stop loss a little bit more because I was trying to stay afloat and keep my losses as small as possible. We're back in the red. I don't know what I was doing here. I should have sold. Honestly, I should have sold. I don't know what I was thinking. You know, oh, you know what? I think I was dealing with something at work, so I was just letting it ride. And I think we got full stop out here.
Stop filled.
Crazy, bro. Like, this week was just not good. February 6th again. I was trying to take a short. No, I was trying to take a long. My bad. I didn't even get in where I wanted to. And I was just accepting my fate here. We got stopped out.
Stop filled.
So, for this week, I did record at my main setup, so you can hear me talk and hear what I'm thinking.
Order filled. Stop filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Stop. Order canceled.
Jesus. Oh my god. So we have our stops in place. God, what the hell was that, dude?
Order filled. Stop filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Perfect. Perfect. Look at that. That's what I thought. Just ride this down. Just gotta adapt, man. We got killed this week, so we just need to adapt to the market, to be honest. We have to play what
Stop
we see.
filled.
Oh, alright then. We'll have to see.
Order filled.
Nice.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Perfect. I can never get like a good runner. Like I want to hold a runner for like days, which is it is possible, but
Stop filled.
it's always the last contracts.
Order filled.
Oh shit! I did not mean to do that. Fuck. I'm gonna close if we get above. I'm so dumb. I wanted to wait, bro. Retarded. Oh. Let's see. Let's just.
Order filled.
I'm closing it. I'm just closing it because I wanted to wait. I just wanted to wait. It's whatever, bro. Yeah, it's whatever.
Order canceled.
It's whatever. Dude, yeah. Mistake, man. Full on mistake. Completely missed this beautiful, beautiful setup. That's alright. It happens. It happens. It's totally fine. Not really, but it's okay.
Order filled.
Test this low.
Order canceled.
Fucking bullshit. Alright, here are my stats. That's about it. I thought I'd be a little bit down a bit more, but it's not that bad. It's literally not that bad. I'm fine with that. But still doing all right. I mean, we're still kind of up overall for the year. Here are all my trades for the week. Pretty tough to look at, but all right. That's just how it goes. Bad week. Bad last 2 weeks, I think. The last week of January and then this week. It's okay. Losing streaks happen, but we're on to the next week. See y'all Monday.